If you want to see how I cut this bob in 2 easy steps, then do keep on watching this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to ensure that you do is to straighten the hair, because what this does is give you the best precision and evenness when you're cutting the hair into a bob. And the next thing that I like to do is to section off the hair with some clips, and then I start working from the back. And today I'll be using clippers because it does all the work. All I need to do is basically try to get it as even as possible, which is why I straighten the hair in the beginning. So if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Just do keep on watching the video until the end to see the end result. If you want to see how I install this bob on myself, then you can go ahead and click the video right here on screen that you see, and I'll see you over there.